Hi there, welcome to Imran Kitchen, and today's recipe is a lamb stew. And before we start, I will let you know this is like a we are using whole spices for this recipe. You can use beef or goat for this recipe, but you need more fat with this meat because we are not putting that much oil, we are cooking in the fat. So half kg meat, we need a half kg onion. So I will show you how to what kind of slice we are using for the meat. We need this type of slice, not too fine, not too thick. So let's start. We'll put some oil, not much, just one tablespoon, because we are using the meat fat. So we'll turn on the gas. At the beginning, flame has to be low because we are putting everything together. This is half kg lamb with bone. Then we'll put, this is like a chunk of ginger, this much, and this is 4 cloves, like you will cut in the middle. Then I will put rest of the spice. This is like a 7 dry chili. We have to broke it in the middle. And this is 1 teaspoon salt as taste. This is 1 teaspoon coriander, dry coriander. We have to crush it little bit. And this is 1 cinnamon stick and 1 teaspoon whole cumin seeds. This is half teaspoon black pepper, and this is 5 cloves, and this is 2 green cardamom. Only we are using little bit of turmeric powder, otherwise rest of whole spices, because turmeric basically is anything like a flavor, sometimes smells little bit bad lamb, so you will cut the smell. We'll mix it little bit. This is my signature recipe. You must try this one and you will love it. So now we'll put all the sliced onion. This is like a half kg sliced onion. We don't need any water because we'll cook slow and slow flame at the beginning for half an hour. Then slowly all the meat, the onion will be melt, then there will be water released. So you don't need excess water. And each time you can try this, you must try this one, you will love it. But it will take 1.5 hours to 2 hours, depend on the meat quality. If this meat is good, it will cook hopefully 1.5 hours. We will cover it, then after 40 minutes we will check it out. See you after 40 minutes. The lamb stew has been cooking for the last 45 minutes, so you can see it's already cooking on medium, slow medium. You can see we already cover it, so there is already moisture is creating, and also onion is releasing water. So now time to check. Some of the dish you need a patience because it has to be cooked slow motion and take time, especially beef, lamb, goat, it will take time. So I will check one of the take one meat and how is the condition of the meat. So you have to be careful. I am using my hand. This is almost cooked, so let me check. I will take the fork. Yeah, meat is almost there, so we need to cook another 30 minutes, and onion has to be cooked also, and little bit more melt. So it will be, you will love it, this dish. I already love this dish because I enjoy it. We need to move it. And meantime, in the 45 minutes, during the 45-minute cooking, you need to move little bit, stir it after 15 minutes. Then you can check if it has to be cooked like a slow motion. Then you can see the water. If you cook fast, then it will be dry. So it's no good. It has to be like juicy, because onion is melting, so it creates all the water. It will be cooked in the water. So we need to cover it another 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes it will be ready. So I'll see you in 30 minutes. Lamb stew has been cooking for the last 1 hour 25 minutes. So let me check. Hopefully it will be ready. You can see there is no oil because we put some fat. You can see little bit on top because it's cooking on slow motion. This is bone. I need some boneless. So you can check how it look like. It has to be soft like this. You can see it's completely melted. So one is meat is completely melted, so you can see the taste. It will give a good taste. So it's ready. So now I have to turn off the gas.